Starting solids is a big milestone. It's an exciting time for both you and your baby. Milk alone is no longer enough for your growing baby. Solids provide essential nutrients like iron and zinc, which support healthy growth and development. Introducing solids also helps your baby develop important skills such as chewing and swallowing, and it exposes them to different tastes and textures. This new experience can be messy and fun. Remember, every baby is different and will progress at their own pace. Be patient, enjoy the journey, and celebrate each milestone. Knowing when to start solids can feel tricky. Most babies are ready around 6 months old. At this age, they show signs of readiness. These signs include good head control and sitting upright. They might watch you eat with interest, and some babies may even reach for your food. Look for the disappearance of the tongue thrust reflex, which makes babies push food out of their mouths. If you are unsure, talk to your pediatrician. They can guide you on the best time to introduce solids. Start with single-ingredient, smooth purees. These are easy to digest. Good first foods include fruits like bananas and avocados. Cooked and pureed vegetables like sweet potatoes and carrots are also good options. Introduce one new food at a time and wait a few days before introducing another. This helps you identify any potential allergies or sensitivities. Offer a small amount of puree on a soft-tipped spoon and let your baby get used to the taste and texture. Don't worry if they don't eat much at first. Listen to your little one. Hunger and fullness cues. Babies are great at self-regulating their food intake. Watch for your baby's cues. They will let you know when they are hungry and full. Signs of hunger include opening their mouth and leaning forward. If they're not fed, they may get fussy. Signs of fullness include turning their head away or closing their mouth. They might also push the spoon away or spit out food. Remember, respect your baby's cues. Don't force them to eat if they are full. Texture time. Gradual is the way to go. As your baby gets used to smooth purees, gradually introduce more texture. You can do this by mashing foods instead of pureeing them. Offer foods with small, soft pieces that are easy to gum. Good options include soft-cooked fruits, vegetables, and well-cooked pasta. This transition helps your baby develop their chewing skills. It also prepares them for a wider variety of foods. Enjoy the journey. A world of flavors awaits. Introducing solids is a journey of discovery for your baby. Be patient and enjoy the process. Offer a variety of foods and flavors. This helps your baby develop a diverse palate. Don't be discouraged if your baby rejects a new food at first. It may take multiple tries for them to accept it. Make mealtimes fun and interactive. Create a positive and relaxed eating environment. Most importantly, trust your instincts and enjoy this special time with your little one. Share your experiences and tips. What are your baby's favorite first foods? Let's create a supportive community for parents navigating the exciting world of baby-led weaning.